Discover hidden power in Notepad++.
Notepad++ is packed with features that go beyond basic text editing. While many users know its core tools, some of its most powerful capabilities remain underused. Unlocking these features can dramatically improve your coding workflow, help you write cleaner code, and save you valuable time.
Master multi-cursor editing.
Did you know Notepad++ supports editing with multiple cursors? By holding Control and clicking in different spots, you can place several cursors and type or delete in all of them at once. This is perfect for making the same changes across multiple lines, streamlining tasks that would normally require repetitive editing.
Unlock extended find and replace.
The Find and Replace tool in Notepad++ offers much more than meets the eye. Enable regular expressions to search and replace complex patterns across your files. You can even use it to format code, update variables, or rapidly clean up documents. Batch processing with this tool can save hours of manual effort.
Explore built-in macros.
Macros allow you to record a sequence of actions, then replay them anytime you need. In Notepad++, you can automate repetitive tasks, like formatting, inserting code snippets, or cleaning up data. Recording a macro is simple, and using them ensures consistency and boosts productivity.
Leverage plugins for advanced features.
Notepad++ supports a wide variety of plugins that unlock new functionalities, from automatic code completion to compare tools and FTP integration. Explore the plugins menu to discover tools that can transform your editing environment and customize Notepad++ to perfectly fit your workflow.
Stay efficient with code folding and syntax highlighting.
Code folding lets you collapse or expand sections of code, making large files easier to navigate. Combined with syntax highlighting for many programming languages, these features help you focus on specific tasks, avoid errors, and make code easier to read at a glance.